Gambling addiction, hypnosis can help you break free. First, we have to know what is addiction. It is a big issue in present era, and most of people are suffering from it. An addiction is nothing but only a psychological craze or dependence towards anything, especially any activity. Addiction occurs when someone fails his or her control and continuously, by any mean, that activity is making some harmful effect to him or her. Accordingly, it can take place in anything like drugs, alcohols, food, and sex, and when it comes to gambling field, it becomes really a serious issue among the gamblers. Unlike any other type of addiction, this addiction is hard to identify. But generally it is seen when a person experiences win in several gambling and accordingly feels that they can't control their deep impulses to gamble, and they can make a nice deal and gain more and more money through that type of activity without facing any trouble, that mainly play a role in making addiction towards gambling field. Gambling addiction makes the gambler so impulsive that they can't give any single thought to be involved again in this activity, and in the winning stage the gamblers become so excited with their earnings that they don't want to quit gambling by any mean. With that, they feel their increasing intensity to gambling field. Even sometimes it is found that they are deterred by recurrent losses, as they think that they can win again and get their money back. The addicted gamblers forget to think, although it is a form of harmless entertainment and fun, yet that can become a devastating illness too, and can affect them negatively. It can lead the players very badly to big financial problems, when they start to borrow huge amount of money, mental restlessness, relationship stress, and many other activities related to their lives. Thus, a recreational sport gambling turns out to be a denting experience to any gambler when he gets addicted to this betting field. Like winning phase and losing, as discussed above, there is also desperation stage, which can lead a gambler to get addicted horribly. Keeping hope in mind that they can earn more and more through this betting process and eliminate their losses, which they may even face on every alternative day of their playing, they become mentally fatigued. Unmanageable state of their increasing debts makes them desperate to face gambling every day. Desperately, the gamblers are found engaging in illegal activities to finance their gambling. They may suffer badly by hopelessness, suicidal thoughts, even arrest, divorce, and any other drug exploitation. That surely leads to a complete breakdown of an addicted gambler. Although gambling addiction cannot be identified so easily, there are some signs which can denote that addiction a little bit. That includes constant discussion about gambling, making gambling plan, gambling at any odd time, getting into a long debt circle, giving priority to only gambling, not even to personal life and responsibilities, and feeling the need to gamble to wipe off any practical issue or stress. It is only a concept, but deliberately the sign of addiction is not confined among such behaviors only. There may be many other signs which assign gambling addiction. If you feel you might be addicted to gambling, hypnosis can be a great way to remove this type of addiction. When the compulsion to gamble comes upon you, it makes you forget the reality of how you'll feel when you've lost and wasted so much time into the bargain. This is a temporary illusion. Through hypnosis, you can easily break free of the temporary pull of the gambling illusion, giving the control back to you. You will know you've outgrown the pull of gambling addiction when it no longer feels like something you want to do, like wondering what on earth you saw in someone you were once attracted to who just treated you badly. But above everything, for successful results in this treatment, firstly, it is required that you have to admit that you are facing restlessness with such type of activity and are feeling to give it up as soon as possible, unless and until the recovery process will not go make any further step.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.